Hi, this is Alec, and you are watching Survival Dog. I am left out in the Arctic, where I will try to find food. But luckily, I got all this stuff, so I don't need anything. I'm just gonna pour it into this ice cap. I think many seals and food will be here, so I can hunt them down and lots of fish. I already got marshmallows. That'll only last me a couple days. I have to unpack, but that'll take too long. So I'm just gonna leave it out there like something. And I'm gonna show you how to hunt and start a fire. Wow, there's already been a fire here for like 16 million years. I don't know. It's even frozen. Look, it's a seal right over there. I think I could hunt it down. For survival skills, you will always have to be very silent, and always carry a weapon with you, like this stick with a marshmallow on fire. Look, it's still standing there, like a rock. There goes the stick on fire. Ew. It's heading towards the seal. Oh, the seal died. That means this is my chance of surviving food. I guess it's time for me to go to sleep. This is my shelter. It was made out of ice from the ice cap, and it will be perfect for my new meal that I'll burn over the fire overnight. If you find people like you, but I have to stay here for a week, so it's no use. So far the seal is burning next to the fire, because then I might overburn her. Or him. I don't know the gender. Let me check. Do not watch this. Ew. It's still alive. Shake, 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 shake. That thing just want to pee on me. Okay, you're getting burned. Okay, so, that was it. I guess I'm going to sleep for today. So, next day. Early morning. The seal was cooked, and I could have her for breakfast. Maybe even lunch. So I was eating it. This is delicious. After it. Oh my gosh, why did I have to eat everything? Definitely do not eat hardly cooked seal for breakfast. Well, this has been pretty boring, so I guess I'm... No. Okay, so, yeah. And the fire is warm and cozy, but there's lots of victims here. Like, Chiller. Chiller is one of those mountain snowmen that could kill you. I'm going into my shelter to survive, because I'm Survival Dog. You think you're so smart. You think you're so smart too. You're standing right next to a fire. I am. Oh wow. This sucks. Well, I haven't found any more snow-related dogs. Why are you here? You're like stranded or something. Okay. Ew. Okay, so, why don't you just come with me on my sleigh? Oh my gosh. This is your sleigh? Do you want unpacking? No, I don't really want to unpack right now. You must be Survival Dog. You do the world's most stupidest things just to amuse people. Oh, thanks a lot. You're a very appreciative dog. Yeah, whatever. Here's my I don't even know what this type of animal is, but I think it's a chinchilla. But I'll explain Charlie. So, this is my friend, and he'll summon a monster if you don't get out of there. You're gonna summon a monster on me? A big, fluffy, nice-looking monster. Chiller is not fluffy. It's not Chiller. You saw Chiller? Yeah, he just stunned, but he melted. Well, yeah. So Chiller did melt. Then why is he right there? Oh, I love you guys. He just summoned a monster house. Oh, look! My friend is coming to eat you. Oh, it's just a regular, out of the ordinary hamster. Oh! Charlie, don't eat that. No. Get away. I'm in a shelter, you know. No. Charlie. No! The vicious beast Alec. No, don't do that. You're our monster. You're our monster. Oh, it's a little blurry. Okay. That was weird. Oh, he's back. Well, I call him Charlie. That's why we call him Charlie. That's enough of him. I think he's eating it. No, Charlie. Oh, that's it. I can't stand you overrated peoples. I'm still alive here. Ew. That's it. I'm going home. Copper, I can't tell this. I cannot handle this anymore. That was the end of Survival Dog. Hope you enjoyed it. And finally give me a comment on at least this movie. Bye. Return this thing off.